Bliss Micro Magic Skin Renewing Microdermabrasion Scrub, straight from the spa, tightens pores and brightens skin, paraben free, cruelty free, 3.4 fluid ounces. In the quest for glowing, healthy skin, exfoliation is a game changer. Dead skin cells, pollution, and makeup residue can dull your complexion, making skincare routines less effective. Enter Bliss Micro Magic Skin Renewing Microdermabrasion Scrub, a spa-inspired treatment designed to polish away impurities, tighten pores, and reveal brighter skin. Loved by beauty enthusiasts and dermatologists alike, this scrub combines the power of volcanic pumice, kaolin clay, and soothing botanicals to transform your skincare routine. In this guide, we'll explore why this product deserves a spot in your bathroom cabinet, how to use it for maximum results, and the science behind its glowing reviews. How to use Bliss Micro Magic Scrub, step by step. Pro tip: use 2 to 3 times weekly for best results. Cleanse first. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove makeup and dirt. Dampen skin. Splash warm water on your face to open pores. Apply the scrub. Take a dime-sized amount and massage onto skin using circular motions. Focus on oily or rough areas, like the T-zone. Massage gently, scrub for 1 to 2 minutes, avoid harsh rubbing. Rinse thoroughly, use lukewarm water to wash off residue. Follow up, apply toner, serum, and moisturizer to lock in hydration. Types of skin that benefit from Bliss Micro Magic Scrub. Oily/acne prone, kaolin clay absorbs excess oil, reducing breakouts. Dry/flaky, volcanic pumice buffs away flakes without stripping moisture. Sensitive, aloe vera calms redness and irritation. Aging skin, exfoliation promotes cell turnover, reducing fine lines.